Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to work on WhatsApp group permission setting. So we are in WhatsApp group chat. So we are going to work on multiple things like admin approval, member send message or not, member can add another member or not. On top you see group name my files. So tap on it or click on it and then you see group permission. So click on it. So we are in group permission. Now you see members can edit group setting, send new message, add other members, invite via link or QR code, and also you see admins can approve new member. So you can do setting according to your requirement. If you want, you can disable this option. So after that, only admin can send message in WhatsApp group. No member can send message in WhatsApp group. If you disable this option, then only admin can add new members. Members cannot add any new participant in WhatsApp group. So it's up to you. And then you see invite via link or QR code. So if you want, you can enable or disable it. And then you see admin can approve new member. If you want, you can enable it. So after that, when someone or other members can add new member, then you need to approve that member to access WhatsApp group chat. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.